Hey guys, it's me again. Okay, cool. So today we're gonna be looking at differentiating from first principles. So I'll write it differentiating from first principles. Right. So yeah, on a side note, guys, I'd really appreciate it if you do subscribe to my channel. So if you like what you see, yeah, hashtag please do subscribe. Subscribe. Right, bravo. Right. So let's get started. So the first principles functions as follows. So lim, then h approaches 0, right? And then we got f(x plus h) minus f of x divided by h, right? So plugging in our function. So we're going to differentiate, we're going to diff sine x with respect to x, okay? So we get limit h approaches 0, and then got sine x plus h minus sine x divided by h, right? So the sum formula is as follows for sine x plus h. So sine x plus h is equal to sine x times cos h plus sine h times cos x, right? Okay, so we plug that in. So I'm just going to change the color there, right? So we get our limit, h approaches 0, right? So we get sine x times cos h plus cos x times sine h minus sine x, right? All divided by h, okay? Right, so plugging in 0 where h is, right? So this, if we put the 0 there, so that gives us 1, right? And let's just click on, okay? Right, so we get limit h approaches 0, so that'll be sine x, right, times 1, and plus cos x times sine h minus sine x, and all divided by h, right? So that's just sine x anyway, so that will cancel out, okay? So that cancels out, okay? And then we left with the limit and h approaches 0, right? So cos x times sine h all over h, right? So it comes, we factor out our cos x, so cos x, right? And times the limit, h approaches 0, and then sine h over h. So just doing it on the side. We're going to use L'Hopital's rule for this part, right? So we differentiate both the numerator and the denominator, right? So we get, so if we're going to differentiate, so I'm just using a red pen there. So that becomes cos h, and then that becomes 1, right? So then cracking on, so we substitute our 0 there, right? So we get cos x, right, times lim h approaches to 0, right, and cos h over 1. So that becomes 1. So which is 1 over 1. So 1 over 1 is 1. So then 1 over 1 times cos x is equal to cos x. So that's our derivative. Right. So yeah, so if you found this very helpful, guys, I'd really appreciate it if you do subscribe to my channel, and please share the videos with your friends. And yeah, I'll crack on doing more videos and stuff. And yeah, so have a lovely day, and hashtag thanks for watching, and subscribe. Please subscribe. Bravo. Thank you. Bye-bye.